This is the Southside School of Financial Freedom Market Report and Cash Flow Account Update for the week ending March 8th, 2025. The market finished lower this week. The Dow Jones Industrial Average increased 0.52% on Friday, but was down minus 2.37% for the week. The S&P 500 increased 0.55% on Friday, but was down minus 3.1% for the week. The Nasdaq increased 0.7% on Friday, but was down minus 3.45% for the week. But that doesn't really matter because no matter what the market does, I get cash flow from Bitcoin. And Bitcoin was up 2.57% this week, but that's not a lot. And it doesn't really matter either because I generate cash flow from Bitcoin no matter what it does. I make cash flow off of Bitcoin's volatility. And we know that Bitcoin, if nothing else, is volatile. My goal is to generate at least $500 per week in cash flow or income, which is $2,000 per month from selling options on Bitcoin stocks and ETFs. I created a watch list I use to determine which options of Bitcoin stocks and ETFs that I may want to sell. Looking at my watch list from the week, the strongest performer on the list was Mara Holdings Incorporated, ticker symbol MARA in the third column. It was up 6.16% on Friday and increased 15.09% for the week. Mara Holdings Incorporated is a digital assets computation and mining company that develops and deploys technologies to mine digital crypto assets such as Bitcoin. The company has approximately 265,000 operational miners spread across a number of U.S. states. Mara uses technology to reduce energy waste and inefficiencies in its mining operations. Mara has recently implemented a Bitcoin treasury program where they buy and hold Bitcoin as treasury. This week, I generated cash flow from selling 5 different options contracts that range from $100.34 to $215.33. I received a total of $721.68 for the 5 option contracts. Here are the sales from my account. Sorry, you can't see exactly what I sold. My cash flow goal for 2025 is $30,000. Yes, that is more than $2,000 per month, but I'm sure I will continue to beat my weekly and monthly cash flow goals. With this system, the cash flow money is free and clear. You can take it out of your account and spend it or leave it in to build your cash balance and or invest it. What do you think I should do with my $721.68 this week? Well, I will probably take it out. This strategy is guaranteed to produce cash flow immediately in every week that it is applied. However, it does not guarantee the amount of cash flow from week to week, nor the value of your account. The amount varies and the account value varies. For example, this week the cash flow amount decreased from the prior week. Last week versus this week. And my total account value increased 2.91%. So what's the catch? Knowledge. Anyone can learn how to do this with the right knowledge. There are many books and videos available to you to learn how to invest, trade, and generate cash flow. Your results will differ, of course, depending on what stocks and options you use. I now use Bitcoin-related stocks and ETFs to generate cash flow or income. What do you use? Work? Well, I hope your back holds out. YouTube? How many views and subscribers do you need? 1 million? Stock dividends. How often are dividends paid? Quarterly? Monthly? And how many stocks do you need to generate at least $2,000 a month in cash flow? Do you need a $500,000 portfolio? Bonds. What's the interest rate on your bonds? To receive $2,000 a month at a 4% interest rate, you need $600,000 in bonds. Do you have that much? Real estate, yes. Well, housing inventory is up, but sales are down, and rent is falling too. And then you have to worry about the related expenses and problems associated with being a landlord. How much time and money do you spend dealing with landlord issues? My related expenses were zero, and I spent almost no time. I spent way more time making this video. Instead, I spend my time doing things like this. Check back every week to see how much cash flow or income I generate from week to week and whether or not I meet my cash flow goals. And please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.